everybody, Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting, and today I'm going to do a video all about drill pens. It's one of those things that you can go with the pens that you get in your little kit. Now this is a pretty standard kit that you get when you buy a diamond painting. It has a pink pen. Let me open this up for you. It's very rare that a kit comes without one of these toolkits. It has a green boat. The boats may vary. The little trays may vary. Pink wax. And this is what you put in the drill pen to make it sticky to pick up the drills. This one has a pen with a single tip to pick up one drill and a 6 tip that if you're coordinated and can do it, you could pick up 6 drills at a time and place them. I'm not that coordinated. This one's special. It came with some stickers that you can label your bags for the drills. And it came with a whole bunch of little plastic, oh, they're all stuck together, Ziploc bags that you can put your drills in. A lot of people use a storage system of some kind, but okay, so this came with a single with a 6 tip. Now these are just tips that are placed in there and can come off. I hope you can see that. So they can be swapped. If you like a 3 tip, you could push a 3 tip into there. Here are some different types of pens that I've gotten with my kits. This one is a single tip with a 3 placer on the end, and it has this nice squishy grip on it. There we go. Now you can see it. This one is cool because if you hold it up to the light, these clear ones are a little sparkly inside. That one, you can't see it on camera, but this one came with a single and a 9 tip. Look at that. 9 placer. Here's just a standard pink pen. Pink is the standard. Now these clear tips are put inside the pink tube, so you can pull those out also and put them on other things. This one has single and a 3 tip. Now these are all just ones I've gotten in the different toolkits, but then there's other things you can do. What I like to do is I got a rainbow loom. A lot of us have them sitting around from when our kids were being crafty, and I made this grip, and it was just a single pink pen, and I added a 9 at the end. I'm gonna add a link. I've seen people do these. I learned how to do it from Megan's video on YouTube, so I'm gonna put all the links that I can in the description. And I really loved her video, and it made it very easy for me to do it and to understand so that I could do different sizes and different lengths. I did this pen, and I did this one, which I have a single and a 3 tip. And I have fun playing with the colors. Now, a lot of the, not a lot, but some of the Etsy stores sell things. And in our Facebook group is my friend Elizabeth Wheeler, who's an admin. And she makes diamond pens at a really great price, and she sells them in her Etsy store, Happy Hippo Find. So these are some of the ones I've gotten from Elizabeth. This lights up, this little bauble. I can't make it go right now, but I did. It was funny. I didn't know it lit up at first, even though she advertises it that way. And I was sitting there, and all of a sudden this lit up next to my chair. I was sitting there. I'm like, what is happening? Why is there a strobe light? Oops, sorry for the wobble. BB's going by. The nice thing about this is that it has a cap. And Gwenny was the one who pointed out to me that the caps are great because they keep the glue, the wax in the drill tip nice and fresh. So here to see, it's a diamond pin. She put the tip into there. And check out her store. She changes her stock all the time. Here's another one of her pens. Oops, I dropped it. This is my favorite one. It has glitter in it. It doesn't light up. It has a cap, but it's a really nice weight, and the tip, let me show you the tip, is so thin as opposed to these. Look how thick the tip is. Let me compare them. The tip is so thin it makes it easy to pick up drills in the corner of the tray. Here's another one from Happy Hippo Finds from Elizabeth. This one lights up. Makes me happy. So I'll be diamond painting in the dark, and I've got this little flashy and glitter rainbow pen. And she has such great prices. Really, check her out. The store is good. I need to buy more because I bought these all as gifts. This one is my favorite. It has the diamond on the end. It has these beautiful blingy diamonds inside. And there's the tip. It is, and this is a really nice weight. I love the weight of this one. Makes me happy. Then there are the hand-turned, these ones are pieces of art, acrylic. Now, there's a group on Facebook that I'm in, Handcrafted Diamond Painting Pens. Fantastic group. They do a lot of contests, but they have so many to do. I am on a wait list to buy one, not to win one. I'm on a wait list to buy one, and I've been on it for a month, and it's almost my turn, which is probably enough time to look at their stock and tell them, in their case, you can tell them how many bumps you want on it, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you have arthritis and you have trouble with your hands, they can make it extra fat for you. It's really nice. And look how beautiful this is. This is all hand turned on a lathe. So I'm still waiting for my pen from them. And in the meantime, someone told me about this guy, Daniel. And he's on Etsy also. I'll put Daniel's link in the description. And I wrote to Daniel. He sent me a picture of his blanks that he makes these from. And his price is better than anybody's I found. So I said, you know, don't offer me 6, I'll buy 6. So I looked at his list of blanks and I picked out my 3 favorites were there. I picked them out. He made, I paid him for 3. No, I didn't pay him then. I just told him which ones I wanted. He made them that night and mailed them out the next day. How awesome is that? And so cheap. I got them without the tips. Now I'm going to put up a little montage of how I did the tips. I took, oh, and by the way, I bought 3 of them. And I had them all within days. Look how beautiful they are. Every single one is one of a kind. I told him to use this shape, this 3-bump shape. And he's fantastic. So contact him. Again, look in the description for Daniel's information. I think his name, Etsy shop was like Lathe Works or something. He was just wonderful to work with. He sent me pictures of his blanks. I told him which ones I wanted. We talked about the shape all over through messages. And then as soon as they were done the next day, he sent me a picture for approval. And I got them a few days later. And I will put up the picture of how they arrived. I basically pulled the single tips out of these little pink pens. And just pushed them right into the pen. And it was that simple. That simple. It went right in, clicked in. I do have to admit that I'm a weakling and my husband helped me. The last type of pen that I have is one that's made for beading or nail art. It's got this pretty sparkle in the middle. The drill tip is very, very tiny. And it has this wax end that I just had to form back into a point because I stored it in my pen container this way. So it was flattened. So I learned not to do that. I haven't worked with this one yet, and I haven't simply because I'm so happy with my other pens. There's something for everyone. These are, I would say, under $5 plus shipping. These were the cost of the Rainbow Loom bands. I made them. These were under $15 without the tips. Under $20 if he puts the tips in for you. Amazing pricing. Like I said, there's a Facebook group that you can join. They have a lot of contests. It's a really fun group. The people are great. You can get a really good idea of how these artisan pens look and what shape you might like. I love this. It just fits into my hands so perfectly. And this one is just like holding a regular writing pen. And it's a nice weight. It feels good. I saw this in Staples as a regular pen for $12. Ridiculous. These are fun, especially if you have little kids who want to take a break and play with their pen. I'm a kid at heart, so that's perfect. Or you can always go with the standard pink pen that comes with every diamond painting kit and works perfectly fine, and it's basically free. Comes with the kit. So that's it. That's my review on pens. Don't forget to look at the description to get the links if you want to pick up any of these, especially before Christmas. I need to buy a lot more of the ones from Happy Hippo Finds because I'm giving a lot of diamond paintings away for Christmas, and I thought I would give a pen to go with it. So that's all. If you have any questions, you can write to me. My info is in the description, or you can comment down below and I will answer you. Come here, BB. Show everybody again how beautiful you look in your little dress. You have a great day and happy diamond painting. Bye-bye. Charlie, come here. Come on, baby. Come here, baby. Everyone has their fancy clothes on. Baby loves this little dress. It's so cute, and it's Velcroed up the front so we don't have to struggle to put it on. People think, oh, you're being so mean putting clothes on your dogs, but they like it. Come here, Charlie. Charlie has this little purple bow tie on. Come here, honey. Come here. Come here. There we go. And he is looking dapper and handsome. I almost said happer and dancing. This is new for him. He's used to his harness on, but not a bow tie. But I think it makes him look fantastic. Right, BB? Yeah, he looks okay. So do you.